of triggers, and I hope you all understood that concept. Trigger is generally a named PL/SQL block like procedure and course of action to be taken on the basis of event occurs. And Oracle server implicitly call this trigger. And we use trigger for event driven programming. Now you all are going to learn package concept. Actually, package is a collection of procedures, functions, types. We use type for creating the user defined data types, then cursors, related functions and procedures we can group into a single unit that is called package. These are the various advantages of using packages. First, easy to manage. Why? Because all the related procedure, functions and variables at one place and we can easily manage the things. It supports overloading. Same functions name we can use in different packages. It also supports data hiding concepts. If we declare package in the package body, then only within that package we can call the procedure. And if we declare procedure in the package specification, then any object can call that package. It improves performances. Why it improves the performance? Because all the related things we prefetch and store into the main memory, and in this way it improves the performances. Did you get it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's all about the packages. Now there are two parts of packages. One is package specification and another one is package body. In package specification, we declare the function or procedures or variable, cursor, all the database objects we declare in this part, and that part is called package specification. And in package body, actual coding has been done in package body. Just like function has also two parts, function specification and function definition. Okay. Now this is the code for package specification. For package specification, we will write the code create or replace package. Then suppose package name is HR. And in this package, we declared two procedures. One is procedure hire for recruiting the employee, and second procedure fire for removing the employee from the table. In procedure hire, we pass 5 parameters. First parameter E represents E number, type of number. Second N parameter represents the employee name, type of varchar 2. And J job description, it is also of type of varchar 2. S parameter represents the salary and it is type of number, and D represents the department number and it is also a type of number. Second procedure is fire, and in this procedure we pass only the E number. So that's all about the procedure. Suppose in package we want to declare 10 procedure, 5 functions, then we have to declare all the procedure, functions, cursors over here. Did you get it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now see this package body. In package body, we define the procedure hire. Here we pass 5 parameters in this procedure, and in this declaration section, we write the command insert into employee, and then there are 5 columns in this employee table: employee number, e name, job, salary, department number, and then values. We store employee number in employee number attributes, name in employee name, and then the value of J we store in job, and value of S we store in salary attributes, and value of D we store in department number, and then perform commit operations, and here we write end hire. In this definition you can write 1,000 line of the codes, but for understanding very simple code we write in hire functions. Through these functions, if you hire any employee, you have to store record of that employee into the employee table. Now second is fire function, and in this uh, fire procedure, in fire procedure we pass only employee number, and here we write delete from employee where e number equal to e. If you want to fire any employee, then you have to remove that employee from employee table. You have to remove record of that employee from employee table. Then we perform commit and then end fire, and this is the end of package body. So in this package HR, we declare two procedure, hire and fire, and then in package body we define two procedure, hire and fire. Did you get it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So that's all about the package, and I will demonstrate this with the help of PL SQL. Now next topic is user defined data types in PL SQL. Actually till now we declare only built-in data type like number, varchar, date in our PL SQL block, but user can create their own data types, and then we can declare variable of that user defined data type. And generally we classify user defined data types into two parts. One is composite data type or object type, and second one is called collections. And in collections there are three types user defined data types: associative array or index array. Second one is V array, variable sized array, and third one is nested tables. These are user defined data types. Okay, and this is the collection of elements. Array is a collection of elements. V array is also a collection of elements, and nested tables also we combine a user defined data types. We combine various elements in a single user defined data type, and then we can use that user defined data type. Did you get it? Hello.
Yes,
Please let
sir.
me know. Now see here, in composite type allows group of elements of different types, and for creating this user defined data type we write create or replace, then keyword type, and again user defined data type name as object, and in this we group various type of data: field 1 data type size, field 2 data type size, and this is the syntax for creating composite type user defined data type. And suppose we want to create a user defined type address, then we will write create type address as object, and in address we combine house number, street, and city. House number is of varchar, street is also of varchar, and city is also of type varchar, and we combine these three into a single data type that is called address. Did you get it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is the screen is visible to you all?
No, sir.
Now,
No, sir.
please let me know. Is screen is visible to you all?
No, sir. No, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Screen is visible or not?
No, sir. Sir, आपकी screen No, share sir.
Okay. Now, is it visible?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. See the slide. We write PL/SQL code by using user-defined data type. Okay. Please see this code. First we declare, and in declare section we declare a user defined data type. Name array is a user defined data type, and this user defined data type is of v array. Hello, did you get it? Names array is a user defined data type, and this user defined data type is a variable sized array of size 5, and type of each element of this array is of varchar 2. Did you get it? What
Yes,
is
sir.
the meaning of this syntax? Here we declare user defined data type names array, and names array is of type v array, and v array is a collection in PLSQL, and each element of names array is of type varchar. And again there is a user defined data type grades, and it is also a type of v array of integer, means each element
Integer
in
type.
this array of integer type. Now see here, names array. Now this variable names is a user defined type variable. Previously we declare names as varchar 2, but here names is of type names array, and names array is of type v array. Did you get it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Marks is also a variable of type grades, but grades is of type user defined data type, and here we declare the user defined data types. And total is of type built in data. So in declaration section we declare three variables: names, marks, and total. Names variable is of type user defined, marks is of type user defined, and total is of type built in. Did you get it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now in the declaration section, in this variable, we store 5 strings. Why? Because size of this array is 5. So 5 strings we can store in this names variable, and that string are Kavita, Pritam, Ayan, Rishabh and Aziz. And then marks of these students we store into the marks variable. And if we write names.count, then count the number of the strings, yeah, name of the total number of the students, and total number of the students is 5, and 5 we store in total. And then through this command dbms output.put line we print total, then concatenation operation, and here we write the name of the variable, and in this variable value is 5, then 5 will be displayed, and then students, so total 5 students. Through this command, total 5 students will be displayed on monitor. Then we use loop for I in 1 dot dot total. Starting index is 1 and last index is 5, and 1 by 1 through this statement, student name and his or her marks will be displayed on monitor. And here we end the loop, and here we end the begin section. Did you get it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then output of this code will be this: total 5 students, student Kavita marks 98, student Pritam marks 97, and so on. Now see second code. In this code also we use user defined data type. In this code again, names is of type name array, is of type B array, marks is of type grade, and grade is of type V array, and total and my sum is of type integer, and in my sum we store the 0, and again we store the name of the students in names and grade of the students into the marks, and total we count the number of the students through this count, and through this we display the total number of the students, and in this loop we calculate the sum of the marks, my sum equal to my sum plus marks I, and here we display the total marks obtained by the students, and then we calculate the average marks, sum is divided by total, and in this way we can calculate the average marks of the class. Did you get it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the importance of user defined data types? Okay. Now let me show this with the help of PLSQL. Okay. Should I go for that? Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to say the screen. Is SQL prompt visible to you all? Hello.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. Now I am going to connect with Oracle database server manager. Now it is connected. I have already created HR package on imply table. So see here the record of employee. At present, there are 7 rows in this table. Okay. Now suppose we hire a employee Mileni and we want to store the record of Mileni in this table. So we will execute the hire procedure of HR package. For that, we will type execute and then HR package and procedure of hire of HR package, and we declare only 3 parameter in hire functions. Then we will pass employee number 9 and then any, and salary of Mileni is 1 lakh. Okay. Here PL SQL procedure successfully completed. Now let me verify whether record is inserted into employee table or not. From employee. See here, record related to Melanie is stored in the table. Since in table there are 5 attributes and we pass only 3 value of 3 attributes, the rest of the filled with null value. Did you get it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose we want to remove the employee number 1 from employee table, then we have to call fire procedure of HR package. Why? Because in HR we group all the procedure related to HR department. Did you get it? For that,
Yes, sir.
we will execute HR dot fire, and here we will pass only one parameter, that is the number of employee. Procedure successfully completed. Now check the record of employee here. Now
Yes, sir.
record of deleted. So this is a very powerful feature of PLSQL package, and we group related things into a single package. In Python also you import the package and then invoke the method of that package. Okay. So PLSQL is very powerful, and you can do complex programming with the help of PLSQL. There are various programming constructs in PLSQL: triggers, procedure, function, package, user defined data type, then looping constructs, conditional statements, and you can do complex programming with the help of PLSQL. Now let me copy the code of PLSQL block in which we declare the user defined data type, variables of type user defined data type. Let me copy that code. Okay. Now I am going to copy this code. I don't know why it is not copied. Okay. Now I am going to execute this PLSQL block through forward slash. PL SQL procedure successfully completed but no output. Why? Please let me know. Why no output? Mileni.
So set output वाला भी लिखना है.
Very good, very good. You remember server output on. Now again I am going to execute this block. See here. Through that code, student name and his or her marks are displayed on monitor. Did you get it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So V array is just like array concept in C language. Okay. So array concept is also available in PL SQL. Now you can implement complex logic in PL SQL. Now let me copy the second code in which we calculate the average marks of the students and sum of the marks. I am going to copy and then paste. Here I am going to copy that code. Let me edit the things. There are 2 times forward slash. Here marks of 5 students, then sum of marks is 452 and then average is 90.4. So you can use user defined data type. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now if we want to see the code of procedure of package, then what will you do? We refer the data dictionary in which all the informations related to package and procedures are stored. So to see the code of package specification and package body, we will refer data dictionary user source. Hello, Himanshu.
Yes, sir.
Syntax for displaying the code of both the procedure hire and fire. For that, we will write select text from user source where name equal to HR and type equal to package. Here package specification code is on the monitor. Did you get it? Himanshu, hello, are you there? Mileni, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Now in this code, package body is not. Definition of the procedure is not on the monitor. If you want to see the package definition or package body, then what will you do? In place of package, we will write package body, and see here. In HR, we use insert command. Insert into only three attributes. Why we pass only three attributes in this hierarchy? VE number, N, and salary. And whatever we pass through this parameter that are stored in E number, E name, salary respectively. And here we perform commit. And in fire function, we execute delete command. Did you get it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
This is all about the package. Now, suppose we create a table type data. See here in this slide. In this slide, see here. I am going to copy this code. Don't know. Whenever I am copying, then only copy type. Thing. What is the command through keyboard? Control C. Hello, Himanshu.
Yes, sir. Control C.
Okay. Some problem with mouse. Control V. Okay. Name already exists. Suppose we change the name, create type address 1 as object, and then this address 1 is a collection of three things: house number, street, and city. Okay. Now I am going to create user defined data type. Type created with compilation error. Create type address 1. Create type address 1 as object, and then h number varchar 2 12, street varchar 220, city varchar 220, and then one closing bracket. Now type created. Okay. Suppose we want to create a table student. Create table is to 2, and in this we pass, we want to describe three attributes. One attributes s number, this is of type number. Second one is s name, it is type varchar 2. Third one is location, and type of location is of address 1. This is the user defined data type. Table created. Did you get it?
Yes,
Himanshu.
sir.
Now we can create our own data type. Here address 1 is user defined data type and location is an attribute of type user defined data type. And in this user defined data type address 1 we combine house number, street and city. See here description of this table is to 2. Student number, S name, location and type of location is address 1. If you want to insert the value in this table, then how will we insert the value in this table? Insert into table name is to 2, then values, and in values we pass 1 and then Amit, and then here we will write address 1 and in this there are 3 attributes: house number, street and city, and all are of type varchar. Then within the single quote we have to pass the value. House number, suppose 707, and then street is alpha 2, then city is greater Noida, and see here one row created. Did you get it? Hello, please let me know.
Yes, sir.
So this is just like nested table, table within table. And then if we want to retrieve the tuple from this table, then see 1 Amit and then address 1 707 alpha 2 Greater Noida. If you want to display this record in a structured way, then for that we will write select, and here suppose we create a alias, so c dot s number, then c dot s name, and for this c dot location dot h number, then c dot location dot street, and then c dot location dot city from is to table, and alias of this table is c.
फ्रॉम गलत लिखा है, आपने फ्रो लिखा है.
Okay, thank you. M is missing. Here S number, S name, location, location dot street and location dot city. Here record is in hierarchical order, but here in a single line, and we can format this thing. Okay, did you get it? What is the meaning of user defined data type? So today I have explained package concept and then user defined data type, and with the help of the type keyword we can create user defined data type. Again, there are two types of the user defined data type. One is of object type and another is of collection. And in collection there are three types of user defined data type. One is index array, second one is V array, and third one is nested table. And I have explained each and every user defined data type. Okay. Now see here. In this slide, we create address, user defined data type, and address is a three data type, built-in data type: house number, street, and city. And then we create table in which we keep attribute of type user defined data type. And this is the example of composite type. In collection, we can use nested table. Table within table, we can create with the help of nested table type. And this is just like the V array, but in V array we define the limit, and in nested table we don't define the limit. This is the main difference between nested table and V array user defined data types. See this slide. In this slide, we declare X as number type, and this is the built-in data type. So this is called scalar variable. Only one value we can store in this variable. But if we declare type name is table of data type indexed by data type, this is the category of associative array or index array. Type array. Array is a user defined data type, is table of number 4, and in this array we can store 4 number and index by binary integer. If we define any variable of type array, then in x of 1 we can store 10, in x of 2 we can store 20, in x of 3 we can store 30, and in x of 4 we can store 40. So here collection of integers we can store into this variable. That's why we say this is the collection. Did you get it? Hello. I would like to request you all, please mute your mic. Now another type is bulk collect. If we write this syntax, select D name bulk collect into D from department. So suppose there are 10 department name, all are stored in D, and D dot first represent the index of first department name, and D dot last represent the index of last department name. And if we write loop, and in loop dbms output dot put line, and here we write di, then all the department name will be displayed on the monitor. Why we use bulk collect? If we prefetched all the department name from hard disk and store into the main memory, then execution will be fast. Otherwise, one by one department name will retrieve from the hard disk. Did you get it? If you have large amount of the rows, then we should use bulk collect, user defined data type. This is also very important concept, and we use generally in PL/SQL code. I have already explained about variable sized array, and here we can define the limit. If we want to change the limit, then through alter command we can change the limit, and for that we will write array alter type, then type name, modify limit with new size limit. In this way we can modify the limit. Suppose we declare v array of 10 size and you want to increase that size from 10 to 20, then this alter command we can modify the limit. That's all about the user defined data types and package. So whatever topics related to PLSQL are in second unit, I explained each and every topic, and from next lecture I will start third unit, and third unit is of normalization. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Let me first download the attendance, then leave the session. Okay.